So in my code editor here, if I type some classes here, I get these suggestions. You do not get them out of the box in Visual Studio Code. So you need to install an extension if you want them. So the extension is called HTML CSS. What this extension can do, you can see it's very popular, but what it can do is it can see what you're linking to in your HTML. So it can see the style sheet that you're importing, and it can see in the style sheet what kind of classes there are available, right? So then it can suggest them. By the way, if this was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Also, check out my courses on CSS and JavaScript if you want to take those skills to an advanced level, because in there we will build some beautiful real-world projects from scratch so you can see how everything fits together and really master CSS or JavaScript. And I will also release other courses soon, like React and Node.js. So if you want to be notified, then make sure you are subscribed to the email newsletter. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.